Hi, in this video I will show you how to manage supplier bookings. So after you have received payments from your clients, you can proceed with booking services from your suppliers. First, you need to check that the suppliers are selected for all of the services that you plan for this trip. Of course, if the service is not included, there's no need for a supplier in this case. Also, sometimes clients have to pay on the spot for some services, let's say for this funicular, and in this case you can change status for optional and then pay on the spot, and in this case you don't need to book it from supplier, or you don't need to even to enter the supplier here. It's optional. Okay, so we see supplier is missing from this service. So we click on this icon and we choose supplier from the drop down. So there will be a lot of suppliers, so you have to filter them by entering the supplier name like this. Okay, so now when the suppliers are selected for all of the services, you can go to the very top of the page and you can generate messages to book the services from suppliers. For example, you choose the supplier, then after you choose the supplier, you select what services do you want to book right now, and here you see the message is generated, the message to the supplier. There could be several message templates. Here this one template, but if you click on this settings icon, you can create another template. Here you enter the message, here you enter the template name, and you save it. So if you are on the Pro plan, we can connect your mailbox and you will be able to send message to your supplier automatically by clicking a button here, and you will get a response from your supplier on your email, and then you can proceed with what I will show you next. Alright, if you are not on a Pro plan, if you are on a standard plan, then you can just click copy book and message, this button, and then go to your email box and paste the text there. Now it's already prepared. Text already prepares all the details for bookings, for this booking, or for the if you need to get a confirmation for availability from your supplier, or ask for the recent price. If you go to book from supplier and try to create a message, but you cannot find your supplier here in this list, it means that the service that you want to book, it's not connected to the supplier. So you need to find the service and go into it, and then find the supplier and connect it to the service. When you have received confirmation from your supplier, you find the service in the list. You click on this icon and you have two options: booked with auto cancellation, which means that the service will be cancelled if you do not confirm it until the certain time. If you do not pay it until the certain date, you can choose this date here in the calendar. Another option is booked manual cancellation. It means that you need to contact your supplier to cancel this booking if it needs to be cancelled for one reason or another. After you choose the status, you see that this element now has different color, so now you know that it's booked. If it's booked or it is automatic cancellation, it's a little bit different color. And if you go to the builder, you can see that this service also has this color, and it's not possible to delete this service. You will see this message, or it's not possible to drag and drop it. So to make any changes, first you need to go back to the prices page and change the status to not booked. Because if it's already booked, then the supplier has all the information, and before making any changes or after making any changes, you need to contact the supplier with the changed information. So this way you mark services as booked, and then you proceed to payments for the suppliers, which I will explain in the next video.